Hi guys, question is if the diameter of the base of a cone is 56 centimeter and its curved surface area is 3080 centimeter square, then what will be its volume? So given data is diameter which is 2r equals to 56 centimeter, then radius r equals to 56 by 2, that equals to 28 centimeter. Now curved surface area of a cone equals to 3080 centimeter square, which is equals to pi RL. Now they are asking what is the volume of a cone, which is volume of a cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is a cone where this is slant height, this is height, and this is radius. This looks exactly like right angle triangle. So R, H, L are Pythagorean triplets. To find slant height, we have curved surface area formula, which is pi RL equals to 3080. 22 by 7 into R is 28 into L equals to 3080. 7 ones, 7 fours. 4 ones, 4 sevens, 4 sevens. 11 twos, 11 seventies. 2 ones, 2 35s. So L equals to 35. RHL are Pythagorean triplets. R is 28. We don't know H. L is 35. We know 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. If we multiply this Pythagorean triplet with 7, we get 21, 28 and 35. From this, we can say H equals to 21. So to find volume, we have R equals to 28 and H equals to 21. Now volume of a cone equals to 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7, R square is 28 into 28, H is 21. 7 ones, 7 fours, 3 ones, 3 sevens. Now volume equals to 22 into 4 into 28 into 7. This equals to 17248 centimeter cube. That's it guys.